Welcome to Focus on Design, a monthly feature in Flowers and Magazine. I'm Rich Salvaggio, AIFD, and today I'm excited to share a great idea to help you become the perfect host or hostess. Make this as a display in your store, and I guarantee your customers will want you to make one for them every time they have a party. For our first step in this process, we're going to cover a Floracraft 24-inch styrofoam cone with any kind of clear kitchen wrap. Now the way you do this is you pull some, you know how this always gets tangled up? Well, you're going to pull a little bit out and then just with some greening pins, tack it into the tree. Then just keep pulling up to the top. And then when you come over, even if it falls out of the box, come all the way down and stretch it a little bit. And then you can just cut off the excess. What we're going to do is we're going to now stand it up and we're going to pull the stretch wrap so it covers the cone nice and doesn't have to be perfect, just has to be pretty much, there you go. That's about all you need. The reason for this is when we put the food into the cone, the plastic wrap will stop styrofoam from coming off on the toothpick. It keeps the toothpick very clean. Now the next thing we're going to do, I'm sure you're all familiar with ornamental kale. Beautiful, beautiful product with varying shades. These are the outer green leaves. They're very dark, then it gets lighter, and then it gets lavender. So we have cut a bunch off, and what we're going to do, we're going to start at the bottom of the tree, and we have these very pretty diamond pins from Milton Adler Company, and we're going to first put a row of dark green, or a couple of rows of dark green leaves down. And we're just going to keep turning the cone and keep adding the leaves. And I'm going to do a couple of rows of green, then I'm going to do some of the lighter green, and at the top I'm going to do lavender. Well, we've just finished the tree, putting all the wonderful ornamental kale leaves on it, and you'll notice how it goes from darker green leaves to green leaves that have more styration with some green and some lavender starting, and then it goes to very lavender leaves. So once we've done that, we've also foamed a container, making sure that the foam is nice and level in the container. And what we're going to do is we're going to put 4 picks into the bottom of the cone. So we're going to sort of try to catch the middle, and then we're going to bring the cone down. Next, simple design at the base of the tree, and all we're doing is we're using a little bit of ivy, some roses, and some green hypericum, and then 2 more roses. What I'm inserting now, what I've just begun to insert, are some hat pins. This is a new product from a company called Milton Adler. So I'm adding these throughout the tree because I want it to still look pretty even after the guests have taken their food. So I'm just going to keep going and putting these all the way around. Well, now you see the final version of what we've made today. The only thing that's really left is that once you sell this, your customer will add food to it. So I thought it would be kind of fun to show you what it looks like once it has food on it. So I just prepared just a few different kinds of hors d'oeuvres. There's fruit, there's olives, there's cheese, salami, pepperoni, and this is what your customer would do with it. Oops. Well, I just wanted you to see what the finished product looked like. Isn't it fun? I think your customers would love doing this. And the trees can be made in a variety of sizes, would be a great addition to any type of party or buffet. So enjoy. Thanks for joining us. You can find more free step-by-step how-to videos on our website. Just go to flowersandmagazine.com and click on the digital library link at the top of the page. We look forward to having you visit.